Wait a minute. Ah, it's morning. Perfect. Alright. Time to get ready for the day. Alright. Now that I am awake, it's about time I go and finally do what I've always dreamed to do. Become an actor! Yes! Oh, finally, now that we're back and now that we have moved into this dumpy little town, I can finally go to the theater house and finally become the greatest actor of all time! Oh, this is going to be great, and I'm going to be bringing in so much money, because after all, my dad doesn't exactly like me asking for money too much, just sometimes. So, if I can make my own, then, well, I can do whatever I want. Well, so, my suit looks pretty decent. Then again, I might go get it washed. Because, well, I need to look my best. And if I do not be looking my best, no one's going to want anything to do with the Remington the wolf. But I think I look pretty good. Actually, what am I missing? What am I missing? Oh, right. I think it's in here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Now, let's see how I look. Haha! Yes! The Phantom of the Opera mask I have made to modernize it. Because that whole side face mask is kind of ugly and a little bit too old-fashioned. So this one shall be good. They will see my potential in being an actor and coming up with great ideas. I mean, look at this thing. It's beautiful. It fits me like mwah. And I am going to be the star of the show. I mean, just look at me. I am so happy right now. Now, everyone shall then know the name, Remington the Wolf. And now to go get a chauffeur. Oh, Douglas, I need a ride. I'll be coming down within 5 minutes. Oh, and tell my daddy I'll be out, alright? Anyways, now to go get ready.
Fabulous, Phantom. Beautiful. That was beautiful. You see, folks, that's what I'm looking for a lead role. Phantom, I'm casting you as the lead role for the show. I see great things, Phantom. That is exactly what I'm looking for, though. I want you all to put a lot of effort into that for your audition. You are all important to the show. Doesn't matter how big the role is. You all are important to it.
Ah, yes. The theater. Well, opera house, whatever. Same thing. Anyways, finally, I can make myself an actor as I've always dreamed. And my daddy finally let me go. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Wait until they see my talent. No one can beat me, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the lead role. Pretty fancy, if I do say so. Alright. Let's show them what I got. Hello, everybody! It is I, Remington! Hello! Ah, you must be the director, my good sir. Pleasure to meet you.
I'm Fredrick, and who are you?
The name's Remington the Wolf. Pretty sure you've heard of me. Or if you haven't, you probably will. Well, let's just say my daddy has finally moved into this, well, dumpy little town, and he has offered me, well, the opera house once he buys it. So, I figured I'd come and get started. So what's the roles?
What? Oh, Jesus, it's one of these kids. Look, well, this is Phantom of the Opera, and, we've already started auditions, so...
Perfect timing then. Perfect. Well, since I want to become an actor one day, let's just say I want to be the lead role, if it's not taken already.
This kid! you actually being serious?
Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry, it's just that two things. One, kid, there's a thing called an audition. Have you not have heard of that? Second, we already casted our lead role.
An audition? I don't even need an audition, please. Who even is the lead role?
Well, my good friend, Phantom.
He doesn't look too impressive. He doesn't even have a suit.
Listen, anyways. Look, if you want a role, you need to audition. That is my final saying.
You know, my daddy wouldn't be so pleased if you just reject me like this. I don't need no audition. I'm talented.
I rejected you. Alright,
well,
then,
fine. If you really want an audition, fine. Not that I need one. Phantom of the Opera, huh? Fine. Out of my way! You, move.
Please step aside.
Whoa, now.
Everyone,
That was
quiet
rude.
down.
Alright, I have my mask. A little bit more updated than that old-fashioned one. Alright. So, Phantom of the Opera, huh?
How this goes.
Anyways, so... I have one of the best lines from the Phantom of the Opera. Fine, that'll be enough time to impress all of you. Ahem. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your long hair, so that I may climb up and save you from there. How's that? What? What is so funny? What?
Guys, applaud this man. This man has got to be the worst actor I have ever seen in my entire career.
Excuse me?
Perform on stage.
What do you mean, terrible?
Do you really think that was the Phantom of the Opera line? Be honest with me here. Do you really think that's how it goes?
Well, I'm pretty sure all these, what are they, romance tragedies, are pretty much all the same.
This is the sequel, you dork. This is Phantom of the Opera. We're not Disney. We don't make failed sequels.
I don't see what the difference is. What do you mean by next? I should be getting the lead role. I am the Remington. How about you be quiet? Listen, I'll even pay all of you to be quiet. And I'll even pay you to give me my role, as I deserve.
I think you should leave.
Oh, please, it's like you have any say.
Step aside. Look, kid, you failed, you sucked. No one wants to see that. Now get out of my building.
You know, you're
And
going to
get off
regret
my
this.
Stage.
Duh. Fine, I'm gonna go tell my daddy about this.
We're so scared. Tell your father.
Duh. How pathetic. They're gonna pay. Once they hear from my father, they're gonna know who the Remington is. They're gonna know how popular and how talented I am. They're gonna regret ever rejecting me. Finally, I got my word from my dad. Now to show them. Then never mess with my father, or me for that matter, cause I am Remington the Wolf, and I get everything I want. And that's how it should be. Alright. Where are those pathetic losers who call themselves actors? Looks like they're there. Alright. Alright. Now to show him exactly what I mean business. Hello everyone!
Look, I already kicked you out. Don't make me say it again.
Please, you can't kick me out. Look at this. It's from my father.
Let me see this. Spoiled the brat. Anyway, let's see here.
Is something wrong?
Everything okay?
Yeah. This has been a mistake. Okay, Phantom, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to take your role from you. I'm sorry.
What?
Excuse me?
What? You cannot do that.
You sure that's why?
Remington here will take your place. Whoop-de-doo, yay! Hey, give him a round of applause, woo.
Did you not see his performance last week?
I really don't like this. Anyway, Remington, you go up on the stage, whatnot.
Yes!
We'll just
Alright. Yes! Haha. Hello there, my fellow actors! Haha. Good to be a part of the crew. And being the lead role as well.
This guy
What?
is making me want to puke in my mouth.
Just remain calm, everyone.
Come on, I'm pretty sure we can all agree that I'm the best for the role, and not to mention, I can be throwing a party at my mansion to celebrate.
I have a curious question. Remington, is it?
Remington, yes. What is it?
Do you even know how Phantom of the Opera goes?
Well, I have heard a little bits here and there, but it's a little bit too old-fashioned. As you can see, I made my own mask, and I think we should adapt
What
the
is
script.
What is the main thing about it?
It's about some, like, ghost, and he, lives in an opera house, and he, like, falls in love with this girl, and she, she rips off his mask, and she, I guess, falls in love with him, because, like, oh, looks aren't everything, but then she's, like, with this other guy, and, like, falls in love with him, so it's kind of like a love triangle.
Why did you bring up Rapunzel?
Well, isn't that what the girl's name is?
No.
Well, I mean, it's just an easy fix. I'm pretty sure it's an easy fix in the script. Oh, please. He's just jealous. Anyways, so when do we get started?
Jealous?
Turn a bit so we can catch you up. All of you just go
Jealous.
practice your lines and whatnot, please.
Is that what you call it?
sir.
Sorry, I didn't hear you over, your irrelevancy as the lead role now.
Maybe I should speak more clearly. Is jealousy what you call it?
Yes, because why else would he leave?
You're right, I should.
Oh, well, yeah, it would be good if a party pooper left, too. You're a little bit
One
too
moment.
serious for my taste.
you're gonna have to carry on without me.
But Phantom, you're supposed to be the lead role, not him.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out. But you're gonna have to deal with the tomatoes with him then. Just this one play. I'll be back
I
after.
guess there's nothing we can do about it.
I'm gonna go talk to the director before I go. Make sure you duck after the performance.
Oh, please. Good riddance. Anyways,
Oh,
let's
wow,
go study
Hugh,
our
shut
lines,
up.
shall we?
Oh my god.
I'm right here.
Phantom, I'm really sorry.
Something doesn't seem right.
It's hard to explain. Just know, I don't like this as much as you do.
When I come back, I'll figure this out. Hopefully this is the one time we deal with this guy.
You and me both. Just come back after the show, please.
I'll be sure to clean the rest of the actors up from the mess. Sorry that you have to deal with it.
It's not your fault, Phantom. It's not your fault.
I know it isn't.
Yes, that was quite exhausting of a performance. I did amazing. Oh, hello there, everyone. So, what's the occasion? Coming to praise me for my great work? Saying I'm right?
Actually, no, we're not.
Oh.
Care to explain, guys? Go ahead.
That was, without a doubt, the worst performance we've ever done!
Are you sure?
James Charles' apology video.
Really? Are you guys sure it's not just you
Yes, really.
and not me?
You are by far the worst actor I have ever seen. Heck, you know what? You see this? I don't care
Hey!
about it. Guess
That
what?
was my...
You're fired? I don't care. You're fired. You hear me? Fired. You're done. You're gone.
You
Now
can't
get
do
out
this
of
to
my
me.
building.
You
But
you
I
can't do
just
this to
did.
me, Remington. You cannot.
Actually-
No.
You know what?
Mr.
Actually,
Director?
these guys actually have a farewell gift for you. Now, if you excuse me,
Hmm?
I'm going to my
the 21
office.
tomato salute. Can we give him the 21 tomato salute?
Feel
Wait,
free.
what?
Feel free.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, I've
Wait,
been wanting to do this.
Hey. Not my suit, not my hair, no. Stop it. Stop it, right now. Okay, you know what? No. Get away from me. You pathetic actors, get away from me. Great, now my suit's all ruined.
Want you here now.
Huh. Fine, but you'll be hearing from my daddy. Ugh. You're going to pay for that. This is wonderful! Huh. Hello there, fellow actors! Now we shall celebrate.
Yeah, like we're gonna celebrate with you.
Wait, hold it, pause. Justin, I think Justin's frozen.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh, he's frozen.
Oh no!
There he goes.
Poor guy.
He crashed that much and Remington took the roll, then he crashed. Holy shit!
Okay, this is gonna be a
My
blooper.
battery just turned low when that happened.
That
Oof.
better be.
Let me check my battery.
That better be a blooper.
Alright.
You're doing great playing as an asshole. You're doing great, hon.
Yay.
You're just like me.
Wow.
You're just like me. I sometimes play an asshole.
Lol.
I want you to go get a room. I mean,
Bro, if Electro
Yeah, that'd be fine. Hmm?
Yeah.
Don't change, please.
This is how you just. This is
I don't know if I'll
how
cut.
you distract someone.
You just dead. Lol.
Real quick, Dragon. She just needs me for this one last little bit, and I'll join.
Yes!
Okay, Dante cameo, you finally got it.
Anyways,